Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I really was looking for a fun shower set for my daughter's bathroom, and this awesome set from Fungarth is super fun and vibrant. I love that everything coordinates and it really just brightens up the entire bathroom. This set comes with 3 different types of covers for your flooring and for your toilet, and it also includes this really fun, vibrant shower curtain. All of the colors on here are really fun. They are nice and bright, and everything is washable, making it really easy to use and reuse and keep nice and clean. The shower curtain is made out of a nice polyester knit material, and you can see that it holds the water in with no problem. It's nice and wide, so it fits the entire size of our standard shower and bath. The back of the rugs have a sticky texture so that they stay in place in the bathroom, and they also have a nice cushion to them, making them really comfy for when you're in and out of the bathroom. This set portrays such a fun, vibrant scene. We're a cat household, so this set it just adds to the fun of the bathroom area. It makes it nice and bright and cheery, and I love that everything coordinates. If you're looking for a set that will really brighten your day, make everything a nice fun space, then you need to check this out. And that's just my point of view.